Today we've got something exciting in store for you. If you're someone who values privacy in this digital age, you're in for a treat. Today, we're going to unravel the secrets behind how to blur WhatsApp chats, adding an extra layer of privacy to your conversations. Intrigued? Stick around. Before we dive into the how-to, let's talk about why privacy matters. In a world where our lives are becoming more interconnected digitally, safeguarding our conversations is crucial. Whether it's confidential information or personal sentiments, everyone deserves the right to keep their messages private. First, log into your WhatsApp. Go to Google and search Privacy Extension for WhatsApp. Click on the first link and add to the Chrome. Pin extension. Then refresh WhatsApp. And after refreshing the page, our extension is active. Now when you hover the mouse, your message will appear. Click on Extension, and now you can enable blur features, like if you want to blur profile, messages. As always, stay curious, stay tech savvy, and until next time, happy chatting with an extra layer of privacy.